Demonstrative pronouns this and that. This for one thing that is close to you. पास की एक चीज के लिए this का यूज होता है. For this a. For many things that are close to you. पास की एक से अधिक चीजों के लिए this यूज होता है. That वह. For one thing that is far from you. दूर की एक चीज के लिए that का यूज होता है. Those वे. For many things that are far from you. दूर की एक से अधिक चीजों के लिए those का यूज होता है. This. This is a cat. This is my bag. This apple is red. I like this song. This is my friend. This water is cold. Read this book. This room is clean. Is this your pen? This is a good day. This. These are my dogs. These books are new. I want these shoes. These apples are sweet. Are these your kiss? These flowers are pink. These boys are happy. Look at these pictures. Wash these cups. These are my toys. That that is a star. That is his car. Look at that bird. That boy is tall. I want that shirt. That is a big house. Who is that man? That dog is sleeping. That is my school. Is that your brother? Those. Those are stars. Those tin are green. I like those colors. Look at those clouds. Those girls are playing. Are those your friends? Those apples are red. Bring those chairs here. Those cats are black. I see those birds. Thank you.